It's Friday now, another early morning. Get down to Clark Signs and then head down to Kays Fabrication. Another day. Started on this thing. Finishing off the other rear shock tower. Pete's just going to do the cam lock bar.
Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart. Full force.
We're going to cut this out, run the tail shaft straight through.
Why you so fine? Gotta make you mine. So hot.
Being super tight in here, we're going to go with a bit of 4-inch stainless steel pipe, cut in half, and then we'll mount that onto the floor, and yeah, the tail shaft will run through the middle of that, giving us enough room to mount some race seats. Peter's just finishing welding out the leg on the driver's side there. Once he's done that, we'll be able to pop the cage back, the cab back on. This is a bit of stainless pipe. We've just started a bit of box along there to mark a straight line, then flipped it over to the other side and got another line there. We're going to have to go with this one. The first one wasn't quite centre. Tail shaft ended up being 880mm, so we've sent that off to the tail shaft shop. We should see that back towards the end of the week, and then we can get on to fabricating the floor. Just finished bending up the dash bar. This will support the column and pedal box, etc. Sit up nice and high. Got the professor here figuring out what's happening.
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the hills or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know.
Well, that would be nice to be able to adjust this easily, but
man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like.
Got the front coilovers today. Daryl went and picked them up. Yeah. What were these brackets off?
Hey?
What were the brackets for? Falling career end or something?
Yeah, it's for a falling career end.
Yeah, luckily we had them sitting here, so it's come up perfect. Got a nice angle and stuff on it. The holes suit the rod look. Yeah. Sitting on the front chassis rail. Should tie in nicely. Hello. Pete's cut some round pipe here. Just gonna sit in and space it apart, just give it a bit of strength, add to the character. We got Benny, he's gonna water cut some plates out, so when we get all the patterns, we'll have a heap of different water cut. Yeah, that made no sense. Heaps of different water cut.
Heaps of different water cut, mate?
Yeah, heaps of water cutting going on. For the people asking, these are a Cosmos rim, supplied by CSR Performance Parts. Yeah, I'll chuck all the link down the bottom there to his website and all the description of the sizes. These are actually for the S15, but we just wanted to get it on something decent while we're rolling around in the shop. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to run yet. We're just yeah, getting all the body and stuff sorted, then we'll figure out our offsets and widths.
Like that 14 mil Allen key big go.
I didn't take it.
While I was on here.
Yeah, no. Oh. What's that? Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Bro, I got worse memory. Well, I think that is right, Pete. Got a few different springs here. These are for the Gardener Cars ute, brought in by RSR. We've gone with these hot rod coilovers here. They've got a 6 kilo spring in it. Going to probably beef it up to this. We're not exactly sure. We're guessing it's probably around a 13 kilo. Yeah. I'm just gonna lower it a bit when we put this in. Yeah, it's going together. We couldn't use the RSR springs. They just were the wrong height for this coilover setup we're running. Peter's just welding up the mounts here. This will end up being the support for the steering column. Just a piece of tube that we've chamfered, and yeah, we'll just end up finding a mounting point for it and weld it in from there. We bought a removable boss kit just online, and yeah, Pete's just going to fabricate up his own steering column. We ended up pulling apart one of our old rear toe arms that we can use as a sleeve, so yeah, it's worked out pretty well. Just going to whip that up and be able to line up exactly where the steering is going to sit to where I'm going to be sitting in the race seat.
Got it.
Pete's just burning a little fire here. Sorry about that one. We're good?
We're good. Oh, how you going there?
China! Man, I can't believe how good this thing's looking after 7 days of solid work. It's really starting to take shape, and I can't thank Petey enough and everyone else that's got involved to help us out. Got Luke Hobbs down here doing a photo shoot on it. He's offered to, cover the build, so it's pretty cool to have him on board. And once we get it going, yeah, I'm sure you'll get some killer shots of it out on track.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I. Guess who's back? Still doing that shit, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out. It's still Dre Day, AK. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the street when I'm on the block. They say homeless, but haters say Dre fell off. My last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if we still got it. They say rap's changed.
Massive thanks to Outlaw Speed Shop over in South Australia, hooking us up with some parts. We ended up sending back that low-rise manifold to run this high-rise Holly manifold. We're going to be running an extra 2-inch spacer on top of this with the carbies and the filter extensions. We should be well above the roof, so yeah, it should look the part. Anyway, we'll put all this in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit subscribe. Promise next time I'll make sure the video is ready to release before I give a release date. And yeah, let us know if I can do anything better to make the content more interesting. Peace.